All right, we are going to go over the problem that a lot of us missed yesterday, and it was the what mistake did Mr. Rubin make solving this problem. The first thing I always do is I write out GEMDAS because I'm going to keep going back to it to make sure that I'm doing it in the right order, that I'm solving the problem in the right order. So, first thing he did was he solved 4 plus 6. That's here. That is not a mistake because the first step is grouping. So it doesn't matter if you do this grouping first or this grouping first, as long as you do both of them before you do anything else. So the first thing he did is he solved 4 plus 6, that's 10. 10, and then he rewrote the rest of it, which is good. 10 minus 2 times, and then here's the second parentheses, 8 divided by 2. Now, the next thing he did is he did 10 minus 2. Here is the mistake because he went to subtraction instead of finishing with all the grouping first. So after he did the 10 minus 2, then he solved the second parentheses, and that's the mistake. Now, we're going to solve this problem again up here, and we're going to try to do it the correct way. So I'm going to rewrite the whole problem. 4 plus 6 minus 2 times 8 divided by 2. I'm going to use a different marker for each step. Again, I'm going to write GEMDAS. I'm going to do it in small letters up here so that I can keep going back to it and making sure that I solve each part of GEMDAS. So, number 1, groupings. I'm going to do the same thing Mr. Rubin did, and I'm just going to start with 4 plus 6. So if I do 4 plus 6, that's 10. And then I'm going to write the rest of it. 10 minus 2 times 8 divided by 2. Next, use a new color. I'm still at groupings. I'm not done with groupings yet. So I'm going to do 8 divided by 2, but I'm going to write the rest of it too. So 10 minus 2 times, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now I'm done with all the groupings. One thing you can do to keep track is just cross out the G because there are no groupings. And we haven't done exponents, so we're done with the E. Now, multiplication division. 2 times 4, so we have 10 minus 2 times 4 is 8. We're done with multiplication. There is no division. And now the last thing we have is addition and subtraction, and there's only one thing left. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Do you see how my answer now is really different from Mr. Rubin's answer yesterday? So one tool that I would like you to use is this crossing out idea. Cross it out as you finish it. You're going to have 2 practice problems today, so go ahead and do those now and email me your comment if you have any questions.